morning, children. How are you all? Yes, very good. Children, do you remember what did we learn in our previous class? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. You have learned Hari means happy week. Okay, then. Yes, days of the week. Okay, what did you learn? Days of the week. Okay, tell me children, how many days we have in a week? Correct. There are 7 days. Okay, we have 7 days in a week. What are they? Tell me one by one. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Totally how many days? 7 days. Very good children, very good. Now tell me, when do you do your homework? Okay, very good. You will do your homework in the evening. Okay. When will you have your lunch? In the morning? No. At night? No, wrong. Yes, very good. In the afternoon. Okay, you will have your lunch in the afternoon. Very good children, very good. Children, in today's class, you are going to learn about the months of the year. Okay, we are going to learn about months of the year. Shall we see now? Yes, children. Children, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Shall we see one by one? Yes, children. Months of the year. Months of the year. மாதங்கள் 12 மாதங்கள். Okay. First one, January. January. In Tamil, January. We say in Tamil, January. Second month, February. February. In Tamil, February. We say February. Third, March. March. In Tamil also we say March. Okay. Fourth one, April. April. In Tamil, April. Okay. May. May. Fifth month of the year is May. Tamil also we say May. Sixth one, June. June. Seventh one, July. July. Eighth one, August. August. Ninth one, September. September. 10th one, October. October. 11th one, November. November. And the last month is December. Last month is December. Shall we say once again? Months of the year. Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Children, look at the first letter of each month. Look at it. Is it in capital or small? Yes, all the first letters are in capital letter. Okay, wherever you write days of the week or month of the year, you have to write first letter in capital. Okay, all the other letters in small. Am I clear? First letter should be in capital. Do you understand, children? Yes. Now I read it with the spelling. You repeat after me. Okay. Months of the year. January. Jan January. February. 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 March. 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 April. 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 May. May. June. June. July. July. August. 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 September. 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 October. 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 November. 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 December. 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 The first month of the year is January. The last month of the year is December. Okay? The fourth month of the year is April. Ninth month of the year? Yes, September. 11th month of the year? November. Now I read once again. You repeat after me. Months of the year. Months of the year. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Children, now let us see the number of days of the months. Okay, how many days the month has? Let us see now. Except February, all the other months will have 30 or 31 days. Okay, except February, all the others have 30 or 31 days. Okay, January has 31 days. Okay, January month, 31 days. Children, in common years, February has 28 days. Whereas in leap year, February has 29 days. Every fourth year is a leap year. Okay, every fourth year is a leap year. But this year not a leap year. By looking at the days of the month, we can say whether the year is leap year or common year. Okay, do you understand? So, January has 31 days. February has 28 days or 29 days. March has 31 days. March 31 days. April 30 days. May 31 days. 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. August 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. December 31 days. Okay, here the majority is 31 days. Okay children, February only has 28 or 29 days. And there are 4 30 days months. Okay, April, June, September and November. Okay, only these 4 months has 30 days. Okay, all the others 31 days. Do you understand the number of days in the months? Yes, children, very good. Now, if you calculate all these numbers, you will get the total number of days in a year. Okay, that let us see here. Look at here. 365 days, 1 year. Okay, totally it will come 365 days. Okay, but in a leap year, 366 days will come. Okay, leap year only will have 366. When the February has 29 days means that year totally 366 days. Okay children, this is for your simple understanding. Okay, listen carefully and store it in your mind. Okay, 24 hours, 1 day. Okay, 24 மணி நேரம் ஒரு நாள். Do you understand? Next, 7 days make 1 week. Okay, 7 நாட்கள் சேர்ந்தது ஒரு வாரம். 7 days make 1 week. Okay, 4 weeks 1 month. Okay, 4 weeks 1 month. 4 வாரங்கள் ஒரு மாதம். Okay, 4 weeks make 1 month. 52 weeks makes 1 year. Okay, 52 weeks make 1 year. Okay, 52 வாரங்கள் ஒரு வருடம். Do you understand? Okay, 1 year has 12 months. Okay, we have how many months in a year? 12 months. Okay, 12 months make 1 year. And 12 months, 365 days. 12 months has 365 days. This is total number of days. Okay, total number of days. 365 days. Okay, 12 months, 365 days. 365 days, 1 year. Okay, 365 days make 1 year. A year has 12 months, 52 weeks and 365 days. Do you understand? But the leap year has 366 days. Am I clear, children? A leap year has 366 days. 24 hours, 1 day. 7 days, 1 week. 4 weeks make 1 month. 52 weeks make 1 year. 1 year has 12 months. 12 months has 365 days. 365 days make 1 year. Is it clear?
Children, now let us learn to read the song. Okay? Months in a year. Months in a year. Okay, children. Each month has some special days. Okay? For example, month of August we celebrate Independence Day. Okay? Month of April we celebrate Happy Earth Day. Month of October we celebrate Global Hand Washing Day. Like that, each month has some special days, children. Okay, come, let us read now. 12 months in a year. Let us learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with last line. Look at the last line. And ends with December. Okay, 12 months in a year. Let's learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with December. Okay, months in a year. 12 months in a year. Let's learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with December. Now, let's say them one by one. Now, let's say them one by one. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Isn't it easy to remember? Yes, it is very easy. Now, let's say them one by one. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Children, look at the circle. Month of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. Month of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. Month of November, we celebrate Children's Day. Month of November, we celebrate Children's Day. And look at this, December, and they have given finish. Okay, December is the end of the month. Okay, December is the end of the month. Children, now let us see. Look and say. Okay, let's look at and say. Day. Okay, day. What do you mean by day? Yes, pagal. During daytime, what we see? Let us see now. Sun. We see sun during daytime. S-U-N, sun. Suryan. S-U-N, sun. Suryan. Sky. 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 Vanam. S-K-Y. Sky. Vanam. S-K-Y. Sky. Clouds. Clouds. Look at the clouds. Clouds. Megam. Megangal. Okay, clouds. Megam. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Birds. Birds. We see birds during daytime. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Shadow. Shadow. Look at the shadow of the cow. Niral. Okay, niral. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. Sunflower. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Suryagandhi. Rooster. Rooster. Seval. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Day. Sun. Sky. Bird. Clouds. Shadow. Sunflower. Rooster. Next, night time. Okay, night. Iravu neram. Night time. During the night, we see star. Star. Natchathiram. S-T-A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. Moon. Nilavu. Moon. M-O-O-N. moon. Owl, owl. OWL, owl. ஆந்தை, ஆந்தை. OWL, owl. ஆந்தை. Bat, bat. வௌவால். BAT, bat. BAT, bat. Light, light. வெளிச்சம். LIGHT, light. Window, ஜன்னல். Window. WINDOW, window. WINDOW, window. Night, night. Star, moon. Bat, owl. Light, window. Children, now let us see a day at home. Okay, look at the picture. First picture, it is a morning time. Okay, grandpa is walking, rooster, crows, and a man is taking water from the well. Okay, next one, afternoon time. A boy is reading a book. A girl is having a lunch and another girl is singing. Okay, the next image is evening time. Boys are playing. Okay, a boy is helping his mother. Very good, children. Now let us see a day at home. I read, you listen and understand, children. Okay, a day at home. A day at home. Rooster, rooster. சேவல், சேவல். ROOSTER, rooster. Morning, morning. காலை. MORNING, morning. Grandpa, grandpa. GRANDPA, grandpa. Tata, GRANDPA, grandpa. Well, well. கிணறு, கிணறு. WELL, well. Book, book. புத்தகம். BOOK, book. BOOK, book. Afternoon, afternoon. மதியம். AFTERNOON, afternoon. A day at home. A day at home. The rooster crows in the morning. The rooster crows in the morning. The grandpa likes to walk in the morning. The grandpa likes to walk in the morning. We get water from the well in the morning. We get water from the well in the morning. I read a book in the afternoon. I read a book in the afternoon. Sing, SING, sing. பாடு, பாடு. Lunch, lunch. மதிய உணவு. LUNCH, lunch. Play, play. விளையாடு. PLAY, play. Evening, evening. மாலை. evening, evening. Help, help. உதவி, help, help. Night, இரவு, night, night. Brush, brush, brush. Bed, bed, bed. படுக்கை. Night, 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 இரவு. I sing songs in the afternoon. I sing songs in the afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon. I play with my friends in the evening. I play with my friends in the evening. I help my parents in the evening. I help my parents in the evening. I go to the market in the evening. I go to the market in the evening. I have my dinner at night. I have my dinner at night. I brush my teeth at night. I brush my teeth at night. பல் துலக்குதல். Okay, brush my teeth means பல் துலக்குதல். I go to bed at night. Last line, I go to bed at night. Children, now let us read few rhyming words. Okay, first one, toss, toss, T-O-S-S, toss. Loss, loss, L-O-S-S, loss. Toss, loss. Second one, tick, tick, T-I-C-K, tick. Wick, wick, W-I-C-K, wick. Third one, fell, fell, F-E-L-L, fell. Bell, B-E-L-L, bell. Fell, bell. Fourth one, catch, catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Batch, batch, B-A-T-C-H, batch, B-A-T-C-H, batch. Catch, batch. Fifth one, hen, pen, hen, H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen, H-E-N, hen, P-E-N, pen. Sixth one, fat, F-A-T, fat. Eat, E-A-T, eat. Fat, eat. From the beginning, toss, loss, tick, wick, fell, bell, catch, batch, hen, pen, fat, eat. Very good, children, very good. Children, write months of the year once in your notebook. Okay? Children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you, children. Have a great day.